Hey, what's going on, y'all? All right, so I am revisiting how to activate launch control in your 2021 M3 manual. All right, you're gonna make sure your car is in Sport Plus and in M mode. All right, see that? Has to go to that screen. Right, Sport Plus has to be on. Once you're in this screen, you're gonna step on the clutch, right? Put it in first, right? And then you step on the gas. You have to do it. You have to do it fast. That way, it will show the sign that comes up that says launch control active, something like that, or preparing launch control, something like that. All right, so step on the clutch, first gear, right there. Preparing launch control active. Go. Little wheel spin there. All right, we'll do it one more time. All right, remember, Sport Plus, M mode, it'll come up this screen. You step in the clutch, all right, put it in first. There, preparing launch control, launch active, let's go. That's way better than the first time. Well, I hope y'all enjoy this as much as me, and I hope y'all are able to now do launch control. All right, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.